I'm a big fan of Rituals products, so I was really excited to try this Ritual of Karma medium gift set. One of the things I love about Rituals is how beautifully their gift sets are presented, and this one is no exception. The package feels premium and luxurious, making it perfect as a gift or even as a treat for yourself. Let's open it up and take a look at what's inside. First, there's the foaming shower gel. Like other Rituals shower foams I've used, it transforms into a rich, luxurious foam and leaves your skin feeling refreshed and cleansed. The set also includes a body cream, which I'll come back to in a moment. The main reason I chose this gift set was actually the Ritual of Karma 48-hour hydrating body cream. I absolutely love this product. It feels rich and nourishing on the skin without feeling heavy. The formula contains lotus flower and white tea, which are key ingredients in the Ritual of Karma collection, and together they create a fresh, uplifting fragrance that I really enjoy. Honestly, I wish I could send the scent through the screen because it smells amazing. The set also includes the body scrub. As you can see, it has a lovely texture and it's great for exfoliating the skin before applying the body cream. Using both together leaves my skin feeling smooth, soft, and well cared for. Overall, I'm very happy with this gift set. You get a great selection of Rituals favorites, beautifully presented in a reusable gift box, and for me, the body cream alone makes it worth it.